What's up, everybody? We're standing next to one of the greatest cars ever made, the E55, and this is a little bit of a weird video because I don't know if you guys have noticed in your subscription thing, the channel name is no longer Automobile Passion, and I truly apologize for the wind noise. We're in monsoon season in the middle of the fucking desert, Las Vegas, Nevada, when it never rains, but now it's gonna rain when I'm trying to make videos, so that's great. But I changed the channel name, so it used to be Automobile Passion, and I made that 6 years ago in 2016 when I was 17. So I figured now I kind of want to evolve it a little bit. It was a little bit of a too longer name. I thought it was too long, and I just figured I'd come up with something else. So the new name of the channel is Evo GT. My name is Evo. It's spelled IVO, but ever since I've been growing up here, everybody, since I have a name from somewhere else, from another country, everybody's always called me, it's, oh, is it Ivo or Evo? Because of the I. I'm like, it's Evo. So I figured I'd do it EVO, kind of like, the old school Mitsubishi Evos, the old 190E Mercedes cars. So, and then the GT is sort of because my dream car is a Carrera GT, a Porsche Carrera GT. So I was like, I'm just going to throw the GT in there. It kind of makes it rhyme. Evo CGT didn't really work well. I don't think it rhymes good, but Evo GT sounds good. So that's the new channel name. Don't be alerted. I didn't delete the channel. I just changed the name. I just think that for going into the future, I think this name will suit better, or I just kind of like the name better. Now, Automobile Passion isn't really dead because it's still sort of my name, but it's gone for now. I think this name is a lot better, and I think it's going to be better for the future. Now, I really appreciate everybody sticking with me. We are at 525 subscribers, so I'm just hoping we can make that push onto 1,000 soon, because then we can start monetizing, and then hopefully it can help me pay for my $14,000 Salvage Title high mileage E55. So, yeah, I really appreciate you guys checking out all my videos in the past 6 years. All the views, all the comments, I read all of them, and I try to reply to all of them, even with the haters. Everybody hates, and I like the hate because it's fun to talk to those kind of people, see why they're hating. So thank you guys all so much for watching, and I really appreciate your support, and I'm looking to see what's going to be in the future. You guys all have a great day.